We'll guide you through how to record the screen on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you need to go and record it to go and then send to a colleague at work or another reason. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this. The app we can use is actually already on the Mac. So what you can do is go to the top right and click on the magnifying glass, and you can go and type in QuickTime Player. It should get suggested to you, press enter and it will open. Then what you can do is come down to your dock and you can click on it with two fingers or right click. In this list, you can then press new screen recording. You'll get this pop up here. Make sure you select record entire screen and press options. In save to, select QuickTime Player. For time, that can be none. Choose your microphone. And then what you can do is go for the options. I didn't use them though. Then all you need to do is go and press record, and we're now recording our screen with QuickTime. When you're finished, to stop it, you can press the stop button at the top like so, and we can then see our recording here. As you can see, it's going to be added to your desktop. Here it is. You can then do what you want to with it. Leave a like if you found this useful.